Hey, what's up guys? It's Vinny here again. It's December 1st, 2018. You guys may notice that the video quality looks a little different from what it usually is. And that's because I got a GoPro Hero 7 Black. I'm gonna show you guys a quick video of the sound of this Subaru WRX and the exhaust on it. So I'm gonna do an inside and an outside on the new GoPro. I'm gonna kind of test out everything, see how it goes. So I want to do a little cold startup for you guys. Alright, now let's rev it up a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to drive around a little bit and let you guys hear what it sounds like on the inside. Try to do a little side angle over here. See how we turn out. Let's put the windows down. don't know if that gave you guys a good enough sounding of the engine and all that, and the air intake and the turbo inlet, but that was my little try at it. All right, so this is what the car sounds like after it's been warmed up, just at idle. I forgot to mention I do have an Invidia N1 race exhaust with silencer installed on it. Just holding by that pole under there. I have the silencer in there because a lot of surf trips and snowboard trips I would be taking, we would be driving it around, and the droning noise is just unbearable on like really long drives. So that's why the silencer's in there. But yeah, so I hope you guys like my video. I hope this answers some of your questions that you guys were having with like the turbo inlet noise and, you know, all that kind of stuff. Let me know, let me know how it came out. It's my first GoPro Hero 7 video, so we'll see how it turns out. Hope you guys enjoyed.